District Administration Noney District Social Welfare Office amasung Noney District Police na punna sinduna haukiba March ki tang 3 mega marathon ama pangthokhi. Marathon race adu Nasamuk Bharat Abhiyan gi makhada drug abuse amasung illegal drug trafficking sing samas asidigi pungum uthatnabagi pandamda pangthokhibani. Marathon adu Longmai Bazar Bridge Point digi Noney gi SP Namsadai Peter Pamena flag off tawiki amasung Longmai Common Ground da panthumpham oiki. Loinana lamjen aduda saruk yakiba mioi singda certificate singsu yenthokhi. Ula scheme gi makhada District Literacy Mission Authority Tamenglongna sinduna 1-day basic training program for volunteers teachers singi damakta February gi tang 19 makom for upper primary school da pangthokhi. Operation Sabhavna gi makhada 19 Suba Assam Rifles na Noney Jila gi Hauchong Khulda waiting shed ama sabiduna miyamda sinabagi thoram haukiba mas ki tang marida pangthokhi. Thoram aduda battalion adugi CEO amasung khul adugi authority singsu saruk yakhi. Fisabi amasung artisan singi damakta District Handloom and Textile Office Noney na sinduna 1-day sensitization program on government scheme and financial literacy camp ama haukiba February ki tang 19 Longmai da leiba Common Facility Center da pangthokhi. Thoram aduda jila asigi Project Manager Handloom and Textile Sri KS John SBI PNB amasung MRB gi branch manager singsu saruk yaduna tinkhiba weavers artisan entrepreneurs singda takpi tambikhi. District Leprosy Unit Noney na sinduna anti-leprosy fortnight campaign gi saruk ama oina sensitization on leprosy disease ki matangda awareness campaign nungba community health center da February gi tang 23 ta pangthokhi. Thoram aduda National Leprosy Eradication Program gi state program coordinator Muhammad Majid Ali amasung District Leprosy Officer Dr. Ajin Maringmaina resource person oina saruk yakhi. Angang sing hakchang fana leinaba amasung leina tina kayadigi ngakthoknaba pandamda district level capacity building training on improved and inclusive routine immunization handbook and microplanning cold chain for medical officer DPMU BPMU gi program ama February gi tang 38 da Longmai Bazar da leiba NG Memorial Hall da pangthokhi. Thoram aduda Noney Jila gi district immunization officer Dr. Jendum Golmaina resource person oina wa ngangki. International Women's Day Longmai Bazar da leiba NG Memorial Hall da mas ki tang 9 da pangthokhi. Thoram adu District Administration ICDS Shell District Social Welfare Office amasung One Stop Center Noney na punna sinkibani. Thoram aduda Sri ISL Christian Home AC2DC Noney MK Celestina SDC Noney amasung Zaujen Ngam Pamai SDC Hauchongna athoiba mithulen oiki. Palan aduda sanitary pads sing school gi nupi masa sing amasung nupi singda yenthokhi. Balancing the Christian faith in modern world haiba team gi makhada Longmai Baptist Churches Council RBCC Longmai Zone na sinduna men's seminar Eco Park Longmai 2 Noney da pangthokhi. Seminar aduda Stephen Pamai Program Director New Hope Ministry International na Church and Social Etiquette Forest Responsibility in a Model World gi topic singda takpi tambiki. Manipur State ki damakta FCI gi cheng Indian Railways na pusilapa leptri wagan kunmapanda cheng bora lishing kuntra muk puba goods train ama Khongsang Railway Station da haukiba mas ki tang amada yaurakhi. Khongsang Railway Station gi station master gi matung inna tha amagi manungda train machine teret tagi tadana cheng pusilaki hairi. Mas ki tang amagi numidangda akanba nonglai nusit yauna len takhibadegi jila asigi mafam kayada leinaba yum kaya amang ata thohanki amasung mahai marong uhai wahai kaya su manghantahanki. Nonglai nungsit aduna jila asida tingliba electric wire pole kaya amang ata thohanki badegi jila asida mai hapta amarom lakhidaba maramna miyam wana khangnaki. Beti bachao beti padao gi Sahi tara surakpagi saruk ama oina District Administration Noney ICDS Shell amasung One Stop Center Noney na punna sinduna District Level Sport Competition for Girls and Women haukiba mas ki tang 38 dagi 19 phawba Longmai Common Ground Noney da pangthokhi. Sport competition adu jila asigi Deputy Commissioner Dr. Sarat Chandra Arojona haudokhi. Thoram aduda jila asigi SP Namsadai Peter Pamai Rokmai Naga Lu Phom Imphal Lungren gi President Martha Kamei Ningthui Lu Kamson Vice President Rokmai Naga Lu Phom Manipurna President members oina saruk yakhi. punna football team 30 amasung volleyball team 30 na saruk yaki.